Memorial Day, 25% off. We have the jasmine scented air freshener, the lavender, the Chanel fragrance, the all black and medium, red in size small, gray and large, pink and extra small, the white and also in medium. The big logo, we have them extra small, small, large, and medium. These are the air purifiers, they clean the air. The car fragrance cup, and the pet multifunction water bottle. Robot food dispenser, a fun toy for your pet. Snow chains. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. We also have fertilizer. And the newest items, Bluetooth glasses and smart glasses. Thank you for watching.